This video will show you how to create a quiz in Canvas in such a way that Canvas will pull questions randomly from test banks so as to present each student with a different set of questions for the test. To do this, we'll start a quiz in the usual way by adding a quiz, giving it a name, and providing instructions. We'll now go to the Questions tab. And in order to do this, we're going to make use of the object known as a question group. We'll add a new question group. We'll give it a name, which can be anything. And we'll tell Canvas how many questions we want this question group to contain. That is, how many questions from this group will be presented to each student. Let's say 10. And we can also set the number of points awarded for each question. In order to make this work, we have to link this question group to a question bank, which we can do here by clicking on this link. And we have several question banks here. Let's say this is a question group that's going to pull questions from the test bank for Chapter 1. We can just select the Chapter 1 question bank and click Select Bank. All we have to do now is to create the group, and if that's all we need, we can stop right there. You can have more than one question group in a quiz, though each question group can only pull from one question bank. So let's say we want some questions from Chapter 2 as well. We can make a new question group. Let's say we want another 10 from Chapter 2. Then we go through the same process of linking to a question bank. This time we'll link to the Chapter 2 question bank. And then select Bank and Create Group. At this point, we have 20 questions, or each student will receive 20 questions, 10 from Chapter 1 question bank and 10 from Chapter 2. They will be selected randomly at the time the student takes the test, and each student will get a different set of questions from Chapter 1 and Chapter 2 so that no two students get the same test. It is also possible to intersperse with the question groups individual questions, which you either create from scratch by clicking New Question, or select from other test banks by using the Find Questions button. Hope that helps.